To keep our CSS clean and maintainable, let's introduce CSS variables. They allow us to store values like colors or spacing in one place and reuse them throughout our style sheet. Let's define some color variables. CSS variables are declared inside the root selector, which represents the entire document. And now I will add some color variables like primary color, secondary color, and you can define your own colors or copy mine from the resources. Remember that the variable declaration starts with 2 lines: background color, heading color, and text color. We want a good contrast between background and text, so let's pick a darker shade for text. Now let's apply these variables to our page. For body text color, let's give it a text color. So var for variable, parentheses, and we have to pass a variable name. So text color, with the 2 lines or hyphens in the beginning of the name. So for the background color, I will use var background color. For level 1 heading, I will choose heading color, and then for level 2 heading, a secondary color. And now for the About Me div here, I will use text color as a border color and primary color for the background color. Also, let's change the level for header to level 2 header for better hierarchy. Okay, now our website has a consistent color scheme. A great thing about CSS variables is that they allow us to switch color schemes easily. Since variables can be updated dynamically, we can create a dark mode by changing them inside a class. So let's create a class with a name dark mode, and then let's redefine all the colors that we used. And again, you can define your own colors or copy mine from the resources. Now, let's apply this class to the body element. So body class dark mode. And just like that, we've switched to the dark mode. If a variable is not defined, we can provide a fallback value. For example, h1 color will be some color, and then comma, tomato. If some color is missing, the text color will default to tomato instead. And in our case, we did not define some color variable, so now this heading is red. Here's a quick recap. CSS variables store reusable values for colors, spacing, and more. Define them inside root element using variable name. Use var parentheses variable name to apply them. Variables can be updated dynamically using classes. Fallback values ensure styles still apply if a variable is missing.